Some people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And people, out of everything we have to share with Uno don't want to miss the part with Annie man, Annie X man, Lando, at this Annie man right now that I take blinga X man. Seeing Uno don't want, if you don't miss any other any other thing we have to share with Uno don't miss that part of the people. Annie man deal with our new man, Annie X man deal with our new man away, yo, John was that, yo, the man deal people with there, so I remember how the man had this, the man me as a yo, John, no. But yeah, we have that and more to share with the people. We have thing there, we have Pops scene, Pops YG, the officer them running upon him again, my people. That youth need to leave from which part him live, you know. Sell the house they are, rent it out, find somewhere else to live because them a target him right now. You know what I mean? And every day him come and talk about him a scam this, scam that. You know what I mean? That's one of the reasons why them a come rush him so much. You know what I mean? And no telling what can go on, so you better know what him a do. And that's why sometimes people you say if you have things in your life you be silent with it and don't make the world know. Him come and say him rich I feed ag with all KFC and bag of things. Most of the people them when me see hype certain way, you know, them always falling on my people because people are gonna wish them bad. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna share that with Una. I'm wanting to tell me one thing. The other day Ivany come out with people and make everybody know say one story what she been telling for a while now. Cause me even hear the story about a youth where she used to deal with when she younger, you know what I mean, and the youth breed her and she left and go a town go live, and when she got a town go live it's like at them time that she find out say she prego and she tell the youth and the youth say no fee and one bag or something. Then she come tell me, you know what I mean, say him that I figure it out. The youth did mix up allegedly in a Naya something, you know what I mean, him and Naya did a play match and then Naya get analyzed them say him whatever. See, so right now my people, so I've only tell that story there about maybe a month ago or so. So him come respond to the story. So I guess people like are going and chat and I type it over and over again because I don't know them people are still. So him finally address it with people and tell why him never paying attention to Ivany them time there and who did really breed Ivany with people. Yo. One song I play in my head when me hear the dog I say them girl are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. That song they are playing in my head with people. But guess what? I don't know if I left out anything else I have to share. But yeah, we have Rosealee with people. So Rosealee I talk about the whole thing with the nurse and Ticky, right? So we are going to hear what Rosealee have to say on that topic there. Yeah, people, I will also have red ants, you know what I mean? Him wanna defend the ants name because I say yo too much people them a call ants, you know. Our family is not an extended one. You see what I say? So I make the people them know who ants him and the Pickney. You know what I mean? Nobody else no name and it's nobody else no either them family. Right? More know where you man a fight for Ant's name for boy. This is you say easy, you know, you give him son a old man name. No, he want come fight for your name when son get boy we tell her. He want come fight for your name where other people then give them the name. So if the people them want put other people in it, you see it, the man style the lion man, the wickedest way of people. And I believe I have more things to share with Uno, but we're gonna get united, you know, with people. Enough that inch, you know.
I get pregnant and you come on the media and say, me did breed a girl? Oh God, man. You come on the media. You know I'm a friend I breed. You know I'm a friend. You fuck on me with. And the dog get you pregnant. Come on the media and say. Yo, John. I hope it did worth it still. I hope it did worth it, man. Chat, watch on, man. See if me can love certain energy, when I can do it too. See how me deal with the energy? Respectfully. You could have come and tell me a lie too. And go back and forth and make the thing look away. But me different, bro. Me grown in a dog. Me grown. It's a thing called growth. You understand what I say? Yeah, bro. I me never forget chat. You see what she do me, bro? It's staining on my blood clot head, dog. Just imagine about having a girl where you love, you see a future with. Turn on go fuck your best friend breeder. That would have fuck up anybody with a human. So even some of the things that we mentioned when I said to you, of course I said that to you out of ignorance. Like, yeah, we did supposed to start a family. You see me? We did supposed to start a future. But guess what, now? You drop your loyalty and you got the lowest of the lowest. Like you couldn't do it to that stranger, my best friend. You got the lowest of the lowest. You see it? When me still hold it down for you, how much of your friend then come through and I could have fuck off them one by one. I mean never. Cause you me did say at the time. You see what I said this was from 2019. How much of your friend them come through? You see it? How much style could I go and how much thing could I do? I never do that. We stay true and loyal to your right true. You see me? You stay so boom and you go fuck up now and me stop deal with your feet cause what? I value myself. Nothing wrong with valuing yourself. You see what I say? Cause back then me did too nice with that word, bro. My heart did too pure. You see it? So I realized that it was a trend for females. Every girl come around me, dog. Them do what them can do, use what them can use, get what them can get, and then them gone. So this version of myself where me become right now, you know, I don't have a problem with it to tell you the truth. I don't really give a fuck who wanna like it from who not like it. I may have my time when me did nice, so it was the nicest thing ever. And people just pussy up my thing, dog, and use me and abuse me. You see what I say? Would I never come from social media come tell me, say, oh, me are the best. I'm perfect, my blood clot, me far from that. But what? One thing me know how to do, I treat a girl. And you see if me rate you, and me love you, you don't have to worry about me fucking up because there isn't a fuck up. And that me have to make someone understand. You don't have to worry about me fucking up because that's an apartheid. On me. When she come tell so much lie for me, bro. Me never cheap on that girl, dog. Never. I mean a boy, me a drunk. Make it burn hard. But when me like you, bro, me just like you. Me don't want to lose you. So me always try my best not to fuck that up. You get what me I say? Never cheap on that blood clot girl once. Never. Cause me did see a future with you. Before I find out say, yo, you were all of that. What you wasn't even was. You see me? The you what them know now is a totally different you what me used to. You see me? The vulgar you that were ever in a mix up and all of that. Me not used to you, so. Me used to you as a nice, decent church girl. Girl we used to go to church on Sunday daytime. Girl we not even in a mix up or drama. That's so me meet you. Me never meet you in a media. And you know that too. You see what I say? Never meet you in a media. And you know that too. When me meet you, bro, like you were such a sweetheart. You know the drama, you know the mix up, no nothing. That are the you what me did like you for. Over time, the media and everything change you. You get corrupted, you get disgusting, all of that. You see what I say? Yeah. I never fall in, I never like you because you did up on media. Me, I was a nobody at the time. Nobody know me, nobody never know you. We just live in the same area. And I just brave up one day and say me I go text you and shoot me shot. You see what I say? And from there so we just kick it off. Straight. You see it? Yeah, gang, me not come by me that come chat now bad about her or bring me down, bro. I bring her down, but just to make sure you know straight. So the girl, so you not talk your side of the story, girl. Just talk it out, go and done, man. You see me? You try to shoot man in the dirt or you want man to eat me just to make yourself look pretty. When you know you don't have nothing to do with that, like you need to grow the fuck up. Be real with yourself for once. You see what I say? Be real with yourself for once. You know why I wait till now? Come me that come tell be a life pretty up on a thing and make on a thing look good. You see me? I not come for me that come argue with nobody. You send me a reason, me a vent right now. You see it? I not argue, wish I not about the best girl. You see me I say? Want you have a successful future. Not about the best. But when you talk your story them man, I try to make somebody else look bad for you look good. Talk what you do. Talk the fuck up them what you do. You see it? You know what it was. You know exactly what it was. So talk here you go man. That's all me I say now. Talk here you go. The reason why I never come for my life come talk about you yet. Just remember you. You see me? The reason why I never come for you not even know how you change me. I make me turn on me is today there. And that's the blood clot thing, you know. You not even know how you turn me in that little drunk here where me is today. You see me? Cause that was the last era of my good guy phase, you know. That was the last era of my good guy phase. I got boss made for life, I tell you. That was the last era of my good guy face. Cause me I say, bro, me can put in my 100% in a smarty. This them end up turning gun to me. Oh God, man. That's what me I say.
You know, see the people, it's a very, very small world. Look how the two of them used to deal, how long. You know what I mean? And them come buck up back on social media. And the dog same diva acknowledge her. The way how she do, man, that's why I'm diva talk about her, you know, remember seeing, but it look like the Ivany conscience couldn't, you know what I mean, hold it no more. I should just want something new to talk about and talk that. You see me? You never hear the Taurus Riley and the conscience yet. Good girl gone bad. That to the Ivany. Hear the dog say, oh, I meet her, how she used to say who she was them time there. Make her watch some more.
It's the past, yes, but here we go now. You see, if you not learn from the past sometime, you will never, ever move on and become the most authentic version of yourself. The past is the past. It's either you're going to learn from it or you're going to live with it. You understand? You have to move on. So why me stay home and stay right now? I become a move on and understand that the past is the past. I end up learn from it instead of live with it. You understand me I say? I can't forget your past because it turn you into the man where you is today. Your past is important to know, you know. I'm telling you that straight. Your past important. You see me? The day when she had her live, I was on the live. I listen to everything what she said. I hear everything what she said.
Boat man like my brother, you know. Hear me? One thing with me, you know, people, I know what me I do, you know, I'm a boat man like some people, you know. Oh, I got my brother. Yeah, dealing.
How you call boat man?
No, real talk, girl, is who this? Real talk, girl, is?
Me a boat man.
I was telling them things about you.
I tell you something, I'm a boat man. I'm not girl this again.
What do you say? Call Kazre, them to want the key. And then to the care papers them come for feel so this man can make an accident report.
Brother, brother, listen up. Miss about them not like police, he man not involved, brother.
I know what you like, you know, brother, just tell
Brother, he man in a bed, brother, he man not involved.
Alright, come here.
Tell him man say man lick your car and a run. Brother. Tell him man. Let key take out one whole heap of crowd, the man call come down there for this year. Business boy man. It's a call man. I'm like a few house man. Few house brother. You are step up in my place brother. Few house brother. But I like them the thing there brother. When you just step up in my house brother like a phone house brother. But that's why I like police. Brother, I'm not just stopping nice, brother. I don't want no police in my house, brother. You know, sister, me get mad. I want to know, brother. I don't want no police in my house, brother. Mad, me get mad. Think me a blood clot idiot. Yeah, man, go on, man. Talk about police now, brother, huh? Brother. Oh, I'm to them a people, brother. Me lock up in my house, you know. Make sure I lock up in my room, you know. Think me I make the police at me, I'm in a murder. Hold on. Example, you know how to give her. Yo, watch on. Yeah? Brother, I'm not involved, brother. Watch on. Brother, I'm not just a laugh in the thing, brother. With this and the police thing, brother. Serious thing with the fun, brother. I'm not just a laugh with the man, brother. I'm not up on the bag of laugh.
Yeah, video.
Brother, you have video? Oh, no, alright. Serious thing, brother, I'm the fun, brother. We're not involved, brother, on a run going argument, brother. Yo, brother, on the cook, brother, just come on, brother. I'm a police, I got me amount of batty wall with some can. In the business, it, you know, I'm like my shop. Brother, listen, brother. I don't want to make no police I come at my place, bro. Look him on them go on at them beats, brother. I'm not just stop irritate me, brother. Brother, make him man carry man book to her. Brother, listen man. Let me talk to this man. Serious thing with that man. Come like say, you don't know what to talk. Brother, listen brother. Just, who me? Listen brother. You see, Fren, listen, tell you go. Remember, I said they don't see when you take out the key on it, so they can't do nothing. Yeah, come on, them go on, brother. Come on, them left for me. The man I go come down, make him and them go on, go do what them have to do. But I like police, brother. Then go on and left from me and get. Make him and them go on. Clear excitement, man. Go on, brother. Yeah, brother. Man, them go on, brother. I'm a madman, brother. Make him and them left from me and get, brother. I'm a madman, brother. I don't like police, brother. Because if I never go on the exit, brother, listen up. Jason, oh yeah, open door for police like you live here, brother.
Charge no call me.
You live here, man?
I'm up door for police, man. Stop calling me name, brother.
Brother. Yo, more on the dig off, brother. You know, police, you know, do but first me I see them and thing, brother. And a mill, man. Oh, the blood clot I go on, mill, man. So if me never go on, man, the police have only left me on. Brother, I want to go and go down there, go deal it down and deal it, brother. Number one, I not going down a station. Number two, them not have no warrant for me. So number three, them cannot put me in the jeep. I'm a fucking celebrity. I'm a fucking celebrity. That's a number one. Hey, pussy clot. Looking at my bed. Me see police in my house. Me just get up. Me say, what are you doing now? Wanna come out here. Chat. Me have to bumbo clot you. Me have to say, brother, you. Brother, me not like them youth. What the bumbo clot are going? All national police are barging.
No, but remember, so I was so you kind of pull them
brother, I think I idiot. Yeah, police him. Rain. Mr. Officer, you have a warrant to come in my place. I think that come like a joke, yo. Right time when I chat, me I never kill anyone, kill me to pussy clan. Have to kill anyone, kill me.
Alright, so people, we are going to move on to the next, you know. We are going to make on hear Lando, how am I deal with Annie Newman. You see me I say, boy, pops get paranoid certain way when it come to the officer, them people. You see me? And by right, them can't come in your place if them not have no warrant still, you know. No, so them can't come in there, you can make them move up, man. You can tell them to move up, man. You see it? And them have to move up. You see me? So, we can move on to the next year now, more people.
Me no see you, come on for my name. You go say me, the pan live and every time I play music and a ball. But if I play music and ball, batty boy, at least me not pretend. Pussy, you know see you pretend. One night you say, you call Annie and cute Annie. And me I watch it live, you know. And I one magnum when me see Annie with for the whole night. When left in yard with. I eat me see she drink right through night, batty boy. You low life. And you say, you invite out woman. You say you low life. You can invite out woman and can't buy woman a drink. Can't bring woman to a bar. You just have a woman a vape whole blood clot night, low life, hungry belly boy. Me a born hustler. Me and your pan level talk about your work here do. Tops and rose. People like you know, well love sweets. Man we fuck you know. That type man now fuck you already out. You love sweets and the whole world I go see. The whole world I go see pussy wall. You pretending can't pretend no more. You can't kill out woman and can't buy woman a drink. Can't woman go bar. Me your pan live I talk about. Auntie Elma I go send me money for rent Airbnb. That's batty boy. Me not have to beg nobody no money for kill out woman. From me say me love woman I find the money carry out. You just say you low life. You know see a people you lean pan batty boy. You know see a people you lean pan. People them soon find out you. Go look walk. If you can't mind Annie now, I further down you go mind Annie with him pinning them. What about if TikTok forget banner now? How you go support Annie and pinning them pussy? Stop the pimp on people. Sweetie ball. Go look walk. Me a real hustler pussy wall. Go suck your mother. And stop mentioning my name up. Batty boy. You love sweet too much, man. I will fuck you. Although me yes the man I fuck you already cause video the out. Where you play with yourself. I show man batty boy. Go suck your mother.
Beg no money for ticket, we da beg money for you to pay back your loan. That's all me I say, why you lie to me? Because at first you tell me say you pay 5,000 and it's short 5,000. So basically we have begged the $5,000 to give the liar pan we have already. Him never said to me like say him pay 5,000 out time pocket and Tiki go owe him that 5,000 there and then he short. He never explained all of that to me. Since him and Tiki are cause now, me I hear everything. So me I say, why you did come to me, come lie to me, say, oh, you pay 5,000 out of your pocket and short 5,000 more. You understand me? I say, bestie, me say no.
Alright, let me tell you something. Let me tell you when I get from it. Listen, Nurse Brown look like say him pay the money for Tiki. But the way how Tiki ungrateful, the man want back him money. I'm not running my blood clot. But come here, when Tiki just come, Tiki they tell me, say, him and Nurse Brown talk, and when him in the place, him tell Nurse Brown for borrow the money, to pay the liar for him, and when him come out, him a go work and pay it back. Jesus Christ, no, me no remember where GPS or something for go.
And then that's the reason why I can't say much about him, I can't go talk about what me know. But,
So Tiki, the Tiki needs to pay back him money if you true.
And me grown and me and Ivany are big. Thinking a Tiki we are big for not knowing I want loan we are big to pay back. You get where me I come from? What the lie there for? If you do everything real and genuine, we never keep it We never talk it truth from day one and say, Sky, you know, me borrow a loan for pay for ticket lawyer and me I gonna need you for grow and use the people in platform to pay back the money. Me not say taking off the paying back in, me just say, why lie to me about the situation from day one? Of course, if you borrow money, you're supposed to pay it back. But when me say is, why did you lie to me? What was the reason? But you never raised 10,000. Me don't know how much me raise because in information sending on my group and whole heap of people send money. You know, go like yesterday, this happened, last year this happened. The information sent in the group and I don't have access to the information to know what was sent in it. I know people send money in it. So what you answer to me? Him get some of my money. We're not business if you don't like Tiki or Bestie and Tiki no deal. The truth is the truth. Him get some of my money way before Tiki come on. And me and him did do the money business. The only thing is me never have the access to the money. But him get money. And when he not get 10,000, him get money. Him get money. Me no business where uno want say. Before Tiki come out, him get fucking money. I just don't know how much. That's what I'm saying.
You there do the things I will get, do the things I will get one rope, man. We love hard and we hate hard. So we love it like endless time.
Alright, my people, so I could listen to Rosealee and hear Rosealee have to say about, you know what I mean, the nurse and tick situation. You know what I mean? So people want to hear what Lando say about Annie Newman. Lando say the man invite out Annie and the same magnum where Annie left with Annie have whole night, a vape whole night, and not a juice to you one short. You know what I mean? Yo, people, we can invite out women still, you know. But you see, if you don't have the money, use what look you have and prepare a nice little meal and buy a little drink and only just stay indoor and just easy. You know what I mean? Yeah. Although you can go out and really drink, you can drink some water or you can rave, but you know what I mean, just make the go, you know, look professional, make it look festive, make it look like say, yeah, if you want the bar you can buy it. You see me? Simple as that with people. Yeah, the man say man have the woman a vape all night. Jah no star, yo, the man deal with the man a waste star. And that's why I did that. I was against, like, you know what I mean, the youth going by Annie go check Annie, cause this youth here are right side of Annie him live. And for him head no good it look like, you know what I mean? So he look like him can snap at any time. But let me know what you think. We're gonna listen to Rosealee for some people.
We love it like we ride or die endlessly. Nothing not too good for we give. We love you right through. But it's the day when we eat you can't, you wonder what you do it. We give enough chance. I will put chance to get Tiki with me. Tiki and then I chance with me Tiki. Last night when I over there, when I come out and say they are class me. I tell me about how me cause my mama ya send money to give your mama Jamaica. And you over your life and you are class. You know blood clots what happen. As you open your mouth about church, thumping it, jog up the way of your head and thumping your back. Every time you class me Tiki, every time you class me something bad happen to you. The first time you class me Pickney them you crash, nearly go over a precipice. The second time you class me them pepper spray you. And last night when you class me you get one, the whole you know when you drive last week I have a head out it hot, the whole I have to tear off. So every time you class me I don't fall the fear dirty blood clot. Cause them know the Lord knows that I was a German. I was just a genuine person to you. Yeah. When I already had the girl in the box of class, remember one of them, remember one ugly one. I can't forget her name. She named Sophia. That's a one black ugly one that have and one rake eyelash. My mark her by her DP. Any beard I have she follow. If I should step in, me black her. Any a black girl live. Vybz know who name Sophia. Any page she have she step yes so, me black her. She one name is over Tiki class or one name special. tell me to say you can't stop trip from class, nurse, but you can. You can. Because if a gifter support me on TikTok, I mean them follow, just can get that argument. Just to get that argument. Or just to get that argument. It's between me and my gifter. It's between somebody that support me. So just to get that argument. It's the same thing. Nurse run help you come and find all the fuck. You click live and you attack and Trevin at the background and egg yarn. That was it. You sit down for your life in front of 6,000 people and I say, I lie, you know sister, you know sister, you know sister. He's a potential liar. You remind me of Belgium police. You don't lie like show. What is it to tell the truth? And the screen card is there. Just a nurse wanna look your fuck. And you know one nurse brown. And if you don't want nurse brown see me how me can suck you with your fuck like them and I look you. Me a nurse brown once or for your blood clot. But sometime in a life if I'm to nurse brown too. A nurse brown they make me know say hang out with my kind. Yeah. And one and nurse brown, I'm really and truly sorry for you. I tell you, cause two and me have. And one and me really and truly sorry for you, God no. That is my honest opinion. But on my demon side, I fuck you. I think them a dog shit. Think you will never change. No apology can't fix it. You should even talk about nurse brown you should even anything we are talking about nurse brown, it have to be your good grace and mercy. You never want a wicked ass person than you. Just come cost me for Tiki. Him speak, he spoke, and him class me for Tiki. I'm Mr. Nurse Brown. Okay, Nurse Brown. You are gonna know the real dog vomit. Level your clothes. You are gonna know the real dog vomit. The cost me for Tiki. And Nurse Brown, but I wouldn't cost you. If I was in that position, wouldn't argue with you. Me I hear you attack and ignore. And one understand say Tiki can't stop in a problem with people kawa. Tiki can't hear people that talk about him and do like him not hear. Travis speak is spooky. Nurse Brown have subject and degree. Check them crosses. Him Tiki can't hear nothing attack about him. And he not say nothing. I know why me have a leniency for Nurse Brown. Them say see me and live with me at two different cases. So you still have sympathy in a life. Because if Nurse Brown didn't know Tiki like I do, if Nurse Brown didn't know Tiki like I do, he wanna use him, he wanna jeopardize him credit for taking him out of detention. And Tiki a dirty batty man. Not even Destiny where you bury you still and beg back help from and still come class Destiny. Where they are Mexico and Destiny go up on platform and beg almost $1,000 for you. And as I reach a final power 5 hype, more destruction and cross is ready for reap you. I'm gonna tell someone in your life this. What you reap is what you sow. What you reap in life is what you sow. So someone who like bring down people. It's when you bring down their come, you not gonna like it. Anything you wanna reap in a life, I wanna sow. You can't reap pumpkin and expect corn. If you reap chunking, you go soap.
Alright, my people. So that one I'm going to follow up that one you're still enough. So you know what I mean, tell me what you think in the comment section about everything Rosealee say. You know what I mean? We're gonna move on, you know, people. And you know, it's like Rosealee I said something a while ago and I look for the word for say it. And Rosealee said potential. The word is pathological. Pathological. You know what I mean? Liar. That's a word name Rosealee, not potential. So we can move on to people.
Different bugs, and not true all the way a bug. No means say them are ants. The ants family consists of black ants and red ants and baby ants. That's it. The excess are family relatives. They are different kind of bugs. They are not like us. Okay? Yes. So please, wanna stop put ants family for everything we wanna see. Police is not part of the ants family. My mother-in-law is not part of the ants family. My sister-in-law is not part of the ants family. My brother-in-law is, and worse, Jayden cannot be part of the ants family. We not mix up with eatings and brushing in their family, bro. It's only 3 person consist in this family, bro. Red ants, black ants, and baby ants, bro. No other ants not in the family. Thank you. And I stop right up it. Me not like they write up red ants family everywhere. They see police ants this. They see your mother ants. And I saw you go bro and I fuck up your meds, man. Everywhere me look, ants family. No, the ants family are me and you and Chooks. There's no other ants family on TikTok. I like me I tell. It's only red ants and black ants was the only ants family. So me not understand how everybody a bumbo or a scared name ants now. Me hurt. I mean not even get one blood clot special out of them bumbo clot. That's the ants name where they might get over there. Nah bro, me hurt. Without red ants there won't be any fucking ants nest and no ants family. You see what me I say? That me I talk about. There wouldn't have be any ants family if red ants never pop in. So no stop mix up a thing bro. You see me? No stop mix up a thing bro. Eh? It would have be Anna like regular. You see what I say? So now come mix up the ants name in everything. I mean I get nothing out of it. Fuck up. Even special. I miss everybody I got road. What did they road? I'm a name out there. Name out there. I copyright my name now. I go up a little place and copyright my blood clot name. Yeah man. So anytime when I write up ants family in a bumbo clot, make sure I know say yo, when I get one little lawsuit back out. Yeah. I mean I got tattoo ants family right so. Right so me I got tattoo ants family. Right for me. Now I go see it. I tattoo ants family right so. Really don't visit them or do that? Waste my time now. It was a season in my life. So more I remember it. I'll make it the ants generation and done. Out of the 8 red ants and then everybody I take up ants name like, no bro, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of it bro, I'm gonna stop use up ants everywhere me look, me scroll, me say ants family this, ants family that, them tired of ants family now. The real ants family they even do nothing. You see me? We not do nothing. Everybody else when you have ants enjoy life.
Yeah, cool. So the like just stress.
The time on there I can't tap the screen.
What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. So we have some things my people like Annie and her man back together. So I need just up well trash out this evening in a full suit of white. If you go link her man in a town right now. The two of them must lock down. Yes, what I say. So me tell you say me don't know how the relationship are going on with people, because this time them argue, the next time them good. Yes, what I say. It's like them hot and cold right through. You see me? So me I go make you know hear what Annie have to say. You know what I mean? And why me people? Me don't know. Me don't know if you say. Me never see a relationship so toxic yet in my life, unless them a do it for clout, them a do it for the hype, them a do it for gain followers, whatever. You see me never see a relationship so toxic before. Wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me? Also, my people, we have Pampute away in and the whole Shana Chin situation, because I don't know if Shana Chin gone viral from Bodia, and Shana Chin go drop a song, because some people have a style, right? If somebody accuse you about something or call you a certain name, if you do it to yourself, like if you call yourself certain name, the name of them call you, it's like you kind of kill them all angle with them have over you. See? So through everybody I talk about Shana Chin and or something or underneath and Ray and this and that. See? And I talk about the man them what she do with and Ray. She go do a song. Open for kinda kill out everybody we say anything about her, like not give them nothing to have over she, cause she has said. You understand? People have it, I think them use the term like Eminem yourself. I remember Eminem in a move where him do or him talk about himself, so him not give the people them nothing to talk about him and disrespect him when them out rap battle. Yes. So I guess Shana Chin find a style and jump in it and do a song. You know what I mean? I see her something confused. So we can say Shana Chin something confused because she come said see her something confused. You know what I mean? But she deal with cause wicked in that song that's still in our people. But me I stray from the topic at hand. Yes, so Pampute have some things to say about Shana Chin and how she introduced Shana Chin to some people, and Shana Chin go behind her back and try to disrespect she with the people them, and one bag of something people like she say yo everything will happen to her a karma because money and likes that she love. Money and likes are main thing that you understand, and at that I go be the demise of she, and that is the demise of she in a way, because if it wasn't for money and likes she wouldn't go there with Gulliver. But more want to hear what she have to say. She and the next youth up on the live. Me no remember what the youth the name. Me no remember what him name man. But it's a youth popular, and the youth I say him no like Shana Chin none at all. You see me? As a man, low woman argument. You see me? So yeah. Let me see if me left out none, my people. Yes, me have this Rochelle now, my people. Rochelle have some things to say about everything what go on with her, cause she make a talk on her thing about, you know what I mean, the church where she go on, and some things, you know what I mean. I think she later on apologized to her pastor and other members and but me I gonna make her hear what she have to say now. You see me? Why people didn't hear do something to Rochelle still, you know, didn't hear turn Rochelle in her bad girl era right now. You see me I say yes, she in her bad girl era right now. You see me? It's like she not hold the meds. Certain way with people, she not hold the meds. That's all we can say. So we could kick it off, maybe add more things as we go on. So we could get in it.
No, say me a company thing to come say something.
Alright, go on do it.
Me see Shana Chin a ball.
A ball for?
You know, like, you know, she break down like everybody dep on her or whatever. And them look a thing there. But things have to be like that because them not real. And when they have real people around them do different things.
Right.
And real people around them do different things and them not no soul. So them never find a peace.
No, but if you live a certain life, you have to expect certain things to come with it.
She not gonna have no peace. Can you know why she not gonna have no peace? Her waist them she have she not clean, she not good.
Yo, I can't stand her, yo.
And I don't hate her, I just hate the waist them. I never scan her or nothing yet. Never. I don't deal with her no way. The girl come around, and when she come around, we did it. I introduce her to my link, and then she just go behind my back. Gone to my link and gone do a different thing. And say some different thing. And she was say to my link, say here are to my link. I'm pretty a good girl, you know. I never see she come around, Joe them yet come for my link or nothing. But yet still me a good girl and you burn me behind my back. Oh, and I tell my link for send for her and this and that. She said my black I'm in a deal with her, I'm in a talk to her. Look here. That's why they run down money and hype and fame and do anything for money and hype, and that's the result you get. Right. Because if the hype never they run gully back and you have the money or not never go on, you would have never be running. So exactly. You put it now and you gotta do something where you can't get rid of.
Exactly. I'm not
you cannot get rid of it.
Every time I see her,
because them not no soul, them dead and them not no soul them not have. Them not, yo, me tell you something, be I have to stop this for talk. I have to stop this for talk. My dad didn't comment. But I have to talk, I want to share the life. May I tell you, say, may I tell you, Dana Chin not have no soul. She burn anybody for money and anything. In a COVID, me and this girl here, they are Xpose student, Xpose my brethren.
Right.
And we did it with her. We not show her no bad face. We not scan her. She not have to give you no money if we like her. She not have to buy nothing for nobody. No, just show her love.
Right.
And she did it with we. We have vice and everything. You know, when I see she a ball and I see the people that bring her down, she can't stop getting bring down. Because they're real, them not no soul. Them burn real people for anything and everything. Them will do anything for staying at the spotlight and the hype. She's a nice girl and she can't get no man. Oh, you left from Joe. Forgot away. What do you name? Oh, you left from Joe, you're one of the richest man in Jamaica.
Yes.
What give you Benz for drive? You get anything where you want. You live in a good house. You have your good son. You have your little son. And you make every little boy play tita-toe, marble, ludi, and gigging in your pussy. And you have your son. Shana Chin, the reason why I'm come out of me attack, you hurt me. Yes. You hurt me. I'm show you nothing about love, and you hurt me. When we see a ball and you go and you have to get that. You have to get it because real people, you burn them. The people that must show you love when you have to pay the money for. For look, I guess what she walk and buy love. Because two people that really rate her, she walk and buy love. Oh, you reach from Joe to cause. Because you ram out your pussy so and disrespect you so. Oh, you reach there so. Girl, you need to find God. You need to find God and fix your soul. Your soul is not right.
I can't believe what you tell me right now.
What you mean by you can't? I say, youth, yo, the girl, go build to my link and me introduce her to the link because I want she vice and the dog gonna get a piece of food for vice, you know, COVID. Nothing now go on, so I introduce her to my people for she know she do go behind my back. And link the man, call the man and tell the man, say the man for send for her for come to Canada. And him for send for she and Esco, and Esco girlfriend. I remember saying, no, Esco don't know this, you know. Let me tell you how that girl a blood clot wicked. Shana Chin, you see them. Them burn anybody for anything. Them now no soul. Anyway, the hype there, because she see the little hype on cousin, you know. And government goes fuck her, you know. That she see, you know, anything for the hype and the fame of Shana Chin that. She knew what she do, you know, but me never come out, come talk. I think I tell Spice about it, and I tell Stations. And I tell my next friend Terry, we do nails. them know about it. But Tanis know about it. Couple of my friends them know about it.
Yeah.
Remember, she come round me. Me have a brethren come from Finland. I show you that girl here one wicked blood clot girl. You know me not come make up nothing and bring down nobody. Come and bring down people. And guess what? Don't hate her ways. And she need to change. Me have a brethren come from Finland. My vice fee introduce him to Esco. Him start going to Esco studio because Esco are good. You can say Esco are the type of youth him love music. If my fucker you call him and say yo, come do this and I go music, he might come and fight. If he must sleep, but you wake him up, he might come out and sleep. Right. So stay that how much he love music. Left side of Esco. That Esco there. You know what I'm saying? My brethren come from Finland and she gets to come on in the studio and see my brethren. Normally, when we're brethren and I cook over the condo, Esco get the camera in the condo film and thing. Because more 1 minute them are kind of busy. So Esco, you know, Esco deal with it. So Esco deal with the condo, everything, and me introduce him to my team. Esco take Chanik, everybody were around me. But my friend, met me meet him, because I got my friend yard in a COVID, and we there around the pool side, and I suck on me meet him. Right. And my friend, I tell him, say, yo, she artist in her thing, tough, you know.
My people, you see this thing called life? It's a game and it's not a game. It's how you play the game. You know what I mean? I got result you. Me nah say a lot of people don't get dealt a bad hand in life, you know. You see me for no reason. But you see some of the time how you play the game make you either be successful or you get F in a life. See, enough people, them main focus is success. Them no think about like people feelings and nothing bad with them other people because they want to achieve the success and them don't know say you will get success but it don't last, and based on the person that you is success I go either stay with you or just, you know what I mean, come and go. You see me? So you have to know what you have to be careful. You know play with people certain way. You know put like vanity, success, money, you know what I mean, them type of things are over human being. Try to be like as good to a person as all they are to you. Match people energy. That's all me have to say.
And the dog voice me, a 3 song voice for the dog. You don't know, so China Chin come around. All of a sudden, the man start move away. The man no want to come around him again. China Chin just take over the dog. And I tell the dog, say, if you don't, I could come at the condo, the dog. Nah, I could come at the condo, me nah, Esco. I remember my virgin, you know. She just come at the studio, come meet the dog, you know. And chew the dog, why she think the dog have money, you know. I want to hear me say to you.
What you say?
She start got the condo now, just start drive the Benz now, and hide the Benz underneath the thing. Under the place. Start hide the Benz. So the eye just start hide the Benz now, she start go over the dog and start cook, come like she and her friend go over the dog and give the dog some pussy or something. And the dog asleep and she asleep, but she don't know nothing about the dog. Yeah. We me and Esca want to say, oh, the dog start move sideways. Right. But me don't really watch that because some mistake. Me not afraid for lose nobody if you really will come back. I saw me live my life. Me not afraid for lose people. Because at the end of the day, when dead come and steal your loved ones away, you have to live with it. So we will live like your blood clot dead. If you feel like this, me I feel like done with you. Me will live like you're dead. Because you see when dead come and steal your loved ones away, you have to live without that lifetime. From me at 10 moment dead. So I'm not afraid to live without nobody. Me said the girl go there and the girl asleep with the man start move sideways because she tell the man things now and I go on now and I do the thing them now. Because she come in like she rich, you know. That's so she play, you know. Come in like she rich. And when she come in like she rich, she just start take away everything from you.
Oh.
That type of person, the world you see her eye, look at eye upon you.
Yeah.
And that she do. So she go around the dog. And the dog, she asleep. And the dog asleep and thing like the dog wake up.
Yeah.
Dog paranoid, you know. The dog paranoid. The dog wake up and start beat out her blood clot with the pillar. What you doing in here? What you doing in here? What you doing in here? And start beat her. I saw the blood clot girl catch her coat and stop go around the man. And then him just change.
A lie.
I beat the man beat out her blood clot. I really love me a Esco show the girl and the girl come round come burn everything. The girl yo, me have a song, me show them love. She not even know say that song there do for she. The song I say, but what don't kill you, I go make you stronger. That's why me no show none of them no anger. What don't kill you, I go make you stronger. The rope where you hang them, it just get longer.
A corruption.
Yo, the girl are more than blood clot corruption. Me hear Kartel say she want and Charlie's angel. Me pray to God she want real angel for true. And me pray to God the dog change her.
Yo, I don't know how the man, yo.
Kartel say she want them Charlie's angel. And me pray to God for true. She change and she be one angel for true. The girl go behind my back and link up my link. Behind my back, and I tell me link for send for her. And she hear her now, Pamputi a good girl, and I never see her running for my link yet. You know, so oh, you never see that yet, and me a good girl, and you still a running for my link, and I tell me link for send for you. And I look my link.
You should have shame for you say that.
You should have shame for say that I tell the dog say Pamputi a good girl. Oh, you left from Jew for them little money and start fuck your bitch. And you have such a stiff titty, a cute face. Yo, me the Afta. Okay, you know why? One of my friend called me this morning. And my friend said to me, say, she feels sorry for her. Me say, yo, you can't sorry for people when they're sorry for themselves.
Right.
I want to know one pretty little witch. I want pretty little witch. Them fuck so much and contain and get so many evil demon spirit in them soul upon them. I be of ukubus and succubus spirit upon them. Cause them fuck so much and fuck all different type of man. And all of the man when they lay down with somebody, you know, them left a spirit by you know. I wonder if you know that.
Yeah.
I wonder if you know that when they lay down with somebody, them left a spirit. Oh, you for there in a Joe corner, Benz your drive. Brother, I have to share this with my platform. I have to share it.
Can't believe that.
Jana she don't have no soul, and guess what? I don't hate her. I don't hate her ways. I just block her and she know. She know what she do. She know what she do. Yo, them girl, them come round you and say and them a virgin. And see and have the next virgin have money more than you and just switch up. And God to the next virgin never up where they more and deal with it like you and them never was no friend.
Right.
You come see my virgin from Fren and she just running from my virgin.
But what me I say? Them a do them something and then can't better.
And then me I try show you, them now go better, them go stay, them matter how much help them get because them now no soul. And if them not change, them go get what they don't get.
Jesus, please. Listen, when I hear the little man, I see a man on some screen record and chat, so sit me and say,
yo, for your woman, you know when I heard about our son. You have a son.
Yeah, but if
you have a son, girl, come on, girl. None of we not perfect, but you can leg us certain vibes and leg us certain behavior. Yo, shall I tell all the man some love you in the studio with the artist, you ever up on the phone, video call, me love that boy, yo. You ever depend the phone with Pampute, Ray, and you go behind my back after me I try make you get a food for Vice. Right. And you go behind my back. And I tell my link for send for you. And my link for send for Esco. That's what you do. You build problems between me and Esco. Because the dog don't know nothing about what you do. And you make rules and I make an layout what you want. And I go like Esco plan with you.
But then some of them dangerous, you know? A dangerous game shot.
No. I'ma tell you this, dog. Once you do the right thing, you can't go wrong. All one time, people make it seems like a bad thing you do. Once you do the right thing, you can't go wrong. God nah left you in the hole. God nah make no shame and disgrace for you. No care what people try. You're welcome to that. Do what you're doing.
Okay, thank you.
You hear me? I tell you, dog. The girl one demon. When me say demon, China China, me say when Kartel say she want him Charlie's angel. Me pray say Father God, make sure change. I hope I change Kartel and change her. For be when I'm Charlie's angel, can I get no soul? That girl, I want a demon. Yeah, they around them certain people, a beer things start to reach out because them not no soul. Them not easy. She not easy.
People like them, they can't change.
When him say she want him Charlie's angel, me say Father God make sure change. Because one day if this man knows say this girl not no soul.
So who am I?
Real somebody for their own. And a real somebody for having in your corner, she not no soul. It's a girl who come in nice. Like cause she don't mean. Don't get me wrong, she don't mean.
Right.
She come in nice and good. Like I remember saying, the devil was once an angel, them saying,
Right.
The devil was once an angel. She come in like an angel. But you get to say she one devil. Look here, we sensible woman are really see Gulliver. We're pretty song or kiss Gulliver and make good back. Tell the truth, I'm gonna hype and fame and money you do that for.
Well, bye.
Alright people, so the saying what them say, I know every smile is a smile or any laugh is a laugh, something like that, you know what I mean? You have to be careful, people come around you with them nice self and them pretty smile and them just a feel you out, you know what I mean? If drag you down in the mud or if you take what you have or, you know what I mean? If you just do away with you, so you have to be careful, because enough of the time the people them will get hurt are the people them closest to them, you see me? Because you know, expect the person closest to you for do anything, you know what I mean? Be careful, my people. And Shana Chin, she build a really F up reputation for herself, you know what I mean? And some of the time of them people here where you see the wickedest thing, you know, and the evil and sitting, you know, at them last the longest, you know, pan land, you know. Yeah man, enough time you see these type of people, man, them last the longest, man. You understand? Yeah, me not say she not feel last long, you know, but me just say, you see, the good people them always fade away from early out. You see me? So, let me know what you think, my people. I go watch some more, then we move on.
Yo, see,
like I said, your soul. What, yo, you think she don't regret that? She regret that blood clot. Not even my dog. Mother want to fuck Shana Chin and kiss Shana Chin. Not even a dog would sleep. I'm not tell you about no good nice dog. When I talk about my mongrel dog, them will love me. When me ever feed. Not even one of them would want to fuck Shana Chin. When me hear Kartel say she am Charlie's angel. Yes, I hope I change this woman, I change. I hope Adi can change her for true. Because people can change, you know.
Gully Bob.
You regret it. By kissing Gully Bob and fuck Gully Bob, this girl regret it, dog. Because what? You're not selling her soul because hype and money and fame.
Yo, I see the girl on stage.
Hype and money and you see cause, and you feel like say, look at their own cause here for fuck cause. Bitch, you have your son. Cause put respect for your son thing. You can't make your son out there and you do all of them thing there. Me don't know if you not look up on a Pickney them thing.
You remember when she come on stage a ball for Gully Bob? I nearly dead. Mrs. Mother can't ball for the Bob?
No. I introduced the girl to my link and the girl go behind me back. And I want him to tell Shana Chin, you could have blood clot with me. And when you teach them stiff for your body cock up so. And your face pretty, you can't win Pampute. Cause street creditor when me have.
Yeah.
My name popular. And my face may be popular, but the pussy is not popular and the mouth is not popular.
Yeah.
You could win me when you go behind my back and link up my link. You could win me, no time, girl. You could win. I just, you care, I don't drink my porridge when it's hot or my soup when it's hot. I wait when it's cool. Bitch, you could win me, but you could have cock up so. When you bend back way, at the same back way, I bend a cock up too. I have some girl, them shape bad, but when them bend back way, them effective.
Yeah, fully.
Them shape, but when them bend back way. Them back way effective no blood clot. Yeah. So all who feel like them have shape and want to take people man and lie not tell. You could have the biggest shape, you can't win. You cannot win. Because you don't have no street credit, you don't have no reputation. You could win Pampute. Your face could have pretty little more, you could have the best shape. You kiss Gully Bob for fame. You kiss Gully Bob for fame. You fuck Gully Bob for fame. Hype. You sell your soul when you go down to gully bop level. You sell your soul and it aunt you know what it takes to gain the world and lose your soul. And that's how you do Shana Chin. When Kartel say I'm Charlie's angel, me wonder what the man do to himself. Me say Father God fix him type don't know what him do. The man don't know what him say. When him say Shana Chin, I want him Charlie's angel.
Him don't know where mother for true.
Him don't know where him do. I mean I tell him no. Somebody wanna tag Kartel and tell him that girl ain't no soul. Them do anything for fame and money. Them do anything for hype. Yes, you have. No soul the girl not have. Me say the girl go behind my back. Link up my link and I tell me link for send for her.
The nurse whore. I hope you don't say nothing now when me come out and say something because you see what day when you come out on me not gonna say nothing. Me am go say two something on me live and me done. Me no make no video for you and them there. And me see you come out come make many and we not do you nothing. We and you not have nothing. So now when me see all those a tumble down on your boy you go sue. Can't sue man for the underneath. Should have shame. Should have shame. Blood clam. Don't nurse. Nurse were. TikTok I used to call it back so. Thank you, Tatya. He's a nurse were. TikTok I used to call it back sore, but he's a nurse were. If you hadn't talk about $10,000 for buy, you're not get it. $10,000 fucking buy and you not get it. You're a fucking whore. Tell me now. Elaine?
So, me share with you guys in the video before this one scene with the same man where Dana talk about and I done. You see me link up with Rosealee and I tell Rosealee everything where the next one will him help out with the money do to him. You see me I say, me see the next one on a screen recording where I say him we give this money some Fvck if I that him want and rate one bag of something me people. Me I say Jano Star, yo, look where them thing you come to man. Look where man and man come to. People, first time a man I do them thing and them now make nobody know them, so them hide them dirty lifestyle one place, you know. You know what I mean? No, it different. You know what I mean? The man them talk like say them a woman certain way. Me I say Jano Star, but you know what I mean? Eventually it did reach out that way because remember, you know, things evolve, you know. And when I dark have to come in the light, you see it. But me, this man take up for him how much $1,000 get to somebody where him not sure him I go get back him money from. You know what I mean? Well, you wrong, sir. You know what I mean? Yeah, you wrong. Let me know what I think, my people. I watch some more.
You look clean down. Well, who you love, you know. Tiki love Trev. And Tiki don't care when nobody wants to say Tiki love Trev company, love they run him. And him don't care when you want to live in. And then he come out and say, oh, me and Tiki is friend. I rented an apartment for him. We live close by. Never work. You didn't want him to come live with you. Go away. Nurse Brown, Nurse Brown, Nurse Brown. Nurse whore, Nurse whore, Nurse whore. I buy fuck for $10,000. What a blood clot risk you run. When I tell them I say 15. First let me say 5,000. Me not tell a lie still tick you should I give him a little piece, car. When nobody never did it, him did it. He not forget none of that blood clot. Him for go too enough. Tick is a now cause him still, car. He must remember kindness no matter what. But guess what I don't know about Tiki now? If he make one more video again, I'm gonna lie about Tiki. I cuss out him blood clot. I must say, you come the first time I'm gonna answer. And you come back again, I'm gonna answer next time. Because people are going to constantly have to say, you know, hear things somewhere over there, you know, hear, and that I will get on the nerve and then I'm going to answer. Eh? You can't do them when Nurse Brown buy, where me that sell in a bag. And when he eat them, Mr. Crab, lobster, shrimp. But him no call him in name way in a bag, you know. He said the one here TikTok lawyer. The one here Dan. Almost a whole bag of sweet here TikTok lawyer and Dan. Be a word him a drop. And me just sit down and me a laugh and me a say, boy, Father God. Sometimes you run from problem and problem come. So you see, you will get look at what left, yes, but he not go just come a foreign and make you christen him body first. No. So now we go meet a lover in life, which is Trev. Then you start get jealous because you want to know if him and him there, if him and him there. And you constantly tell us, no, they're a business partner. Chima tell us them a business partner. But take your next one too. Not now hide on the internet. So when you tell the man so a business partner when everything they on you blush on the internet. You do everything on the internet where people say, ratty, Tiki in love. So when he asks you now, after you see what go on the internet, you go put him in a rage. Too cute, too sweet. You go put him in a rage because I'm going to say, I know that you see on the internet where you tell him, Mary, Saint Mary. People. But I mean, I tell a lie, still we live in one crazy world, you know. Me say, I never know. Me say, me tell you no say. The first thing when me see on TikTok when me never see in my life, something when me see on TikTok will never come out of my head. I see a woman I tell a man for cussing mama like dog. And bring down him mama to his ground, tell him mama saying so cool him pussy big all of them sitting there. A TikTok me can see that pan. A TikTok me can see a man. It a put out in life for another man to get half a man when I want him. Normally me don't know say man it a do that with girl. I give girl them money for get and the girl don't give them no fuck. But me never know say man do them sitting there too. So TikTok make you learn a lot. TikTok make you know say the IT people them when you see come on TikTok and board them a speaky spokey. Them a dog. Then say show me your company. 13 rows, 13 different person. Then say show me your company, tell you who you are. And you remember when he just come on TikTok? When he sit down in the box him not talk. You know why? Train him a training, the pan training. in the pan training. So because in the pan training, guys, more want 4 more rows or 5 more rows. Me no get it. Not even know. True in the pan training. He go like he couldn't mash hands. So he sit down in a box of a big yard and I take in everything. I watch one we want go for. Who for yard he want go. Who we want go meet. Who we want act like him and them a bestie. And then he chat them behind them back. But here what me notice with them. Let me tell you something what me notice with them. Well, you should understand fine in the first place. You see when there's something that happen over blinga, with blinga and RT did start in fuck over there. Him and blinga never have nothing, you know. And him did choose a side and start.
Alright, my people, so you don't know which part of a big yard, right? Over blinga name big yard. So my people, boy, them thing you never know me there go see man attack them type of way over next man and all people the world change, me not lie. And then not change back to where we didn't know it as it go get worse and worse. You know what I mean? And the other day me see a thing on Instagram I believe where them a say boy a computer or several computers calculate when the world I go end. You see me I say, and it shows say a billion year, like point at billion. I remember if I 1 or more billion year before the world, you know what I mean, end. And we been hearing from where look youth, you see me, the pastor them I say, boy, the Almighty will come tomorrow, ray, Armageddon, ray, this and that. You know what I mean? There's nobody gonna come from the sky, my people, and come down and say this a judgment day. The world are gonna end when all of the pollution them and all of the resource where the earth give to us dry up and we damage the earth and the earth just, you know what I mean? Yeah, we can't live on it no more. You understand? You never watch some show like all Mad Max and them show the way the desert, where them living at the desert and them something there. Yeah, I saw it a go my people. Let me know what you think. I watch some more.
Throw shade pan her. And you see after him done throw shade pan her, he go back in a little corner because he say it no work for him. And him say, oh, me love Miss Blinga. Me like Miss Blinga. And he go on with himself. And he made that take up for RT. You see when RT run when blood clot out of box and dig up him body all over there. Blood clot him frighten you fuck. Because the RT side him did take. Because anywhere you see fish there, and then swim, him attracted to fish. Him is a shark. Yeah. And when RT dip up on them blood clot, because RT find out say him is a 2-mouth cutlass. Him mouth can't stay up, that's why him bottom lip bigger than the top lip. Yeah. Yeah. RT right off his blood clot. You see him go in a box. RT did, what you call him? Me did make one video for it. Nurse whore, me a talk. Not brown whore. I truth. Yeah. And me I tell you. After RT write him off now, like him have to go back in him blood clot book now. And start think now who is next victim. And he come over here. Can you see look sitting over here? He jump off a TikTok liar. For no reason. And she said that no work. Yeah, alright. He left again. Let me tell you how he stay. You see anybody on him chat? So say for instance, say, we over here. Say 5 of we in a group. And we over here we a chat. The backla water. You see anytime him and nobody have any little thing in our box, he go friend up the backla water. and tell the buckler what I say. Yo, in that tell him say 5 we that chat water, you know, in pick out the one somebody. And like I say, we ain't gonna do that for now. Uno more just barely meet, you know. Uno more just barely meet. And then go tell somebody what you that say about them. So in stay.
We don't go away. Oh. Oh. Oh, come on, where's some of you go? Oh, do get some more charge? Come. The glass. Nothing we have to. Hi. So, what is the name? Put my charger now. Charger so I can plug in the phone in a car. Okay. So everybody good? Alright, Miss Uncle, what charge? Jagga, you come? Alright, Jagga, come. Jagga is coming. Oh my God. Jagga, okay, I'm going to Kingston. My security. I feel my security lock. What? Hold on. You want care phone for me?
No, my mama tell me I do my vlog.
So you can't get scared for me? No, you don't want to pay my
Mom, you don't give me a big old bag from my back right now.
But I thought you guys was taking care of me. Remember, I'm far away from home.
Tell them to make a new video today.
Guys, Mika Boo says she drop a new video today. So if you can pick her up, run go over YouTube and grab her video.
You already got me.
You good? Me good, me if you take time. But if I watch your phone now, because I don't want to drop. I like this stuff, guys. Carry.
You can't make me and your mom, man. Like, you can't make me and you live good for one day. This man is carrying a piece to tell me you have to come here and come show me. And all of them sitting here.
Hey, if you don't laugh off of me, I have ginger toe. I have ginger toe, okay? Don't laugh off of me. Okay? We're supposed to be bestie. All if you don't look good, say look good. See you guys.
You know when we did this, like you were becoming like a
You buy me this? You know, this one I like. I don't like a bag of eyes, them watch I know. Bag of girl and them someday. But I mean, I know Jamaican people stay fair. I go right to police station and go turn up because I can't take it. Where you say?
Oi!
Good yourself. Yeah, girl. I don't like my girl like that. They don't have sense, you know. You turn up right so a little bit. And girl a fool, you fudge. Go on, baby. I saw you think set, man. Yes, see them. Be nice, them and make your back food.
We have to go down like other part because this one now,
No, guys, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna tear me up. Jabasa got no. Jabasa got tear me up. No. No. I make you send it back. Make you send it back. bag. Winji, up your sawa, one cafe? Okay, so I'm going to local? Yeah. I want restaurant?
Yes, restaurant.
Alright, go on and come. Maybe up the sawa, yeah? I don't want to walk up and down.
Welcome, babe.
Welcome, babe. May I come your job? May I cross the road?
Look up and down, baby. Look up and down before you cross it.
Jabas, what's up?
But there, baby, you know me get one dream with you last night.
A lie.
Yeah, but a good dream, man. A good dream. Thank
God. You want to tell me?
Yes, my dream on me. Yeah, my dream on me a kiss.
Guys.
Alright, people. So, tell me all the things about this whole relationship with Annie and this youth here have. Because remember, yesterday we see them at it, Yesterday them did a cuss and you know. And today Annie a guy me had go link him. And me remember if in that video the one before this one upload where Annie must invite the youth and me yard or someone must yesterday or whatever where Annie invite the youth or fear yard. Like them must did a play a match and if Annie win, him got Annie yard, if Annie lose, Annie got female yard. Seen? And as far as we see the people, would advise him to go Annie yard, none at all. Annie ex live right beside where she live, right beside her. And that man is a madman. So me I say anything can happen at any time. So would advise him to go Annie yard, none at all. Big man thing make Annie come a female yard. So me I say, yeah.
Don't laugh. Jabaz.
Eh?
They say it's a good dream. It's a good dream.
Yes, my dream made up on a piece of suck out tongue.
Aye, French kissing.
Yeah, I'm gonna put Tiki after you put it back here so.
Wake up. It's just a dream.
Yes, but wake up already, man. I say me I can't tell you this.
What kind of sign that? Me forgot buy a cash pot?
No, man. Where you go?
Jesus. One life disturb. Hold on, guys. Hold on, my phone lick over and there's something. Jabba, say, can you hear me?
Yeah, where you go?
Oh, I'm going to Kingston.
Oh, you go buy food or something?
Yeah. May I buy some food to stock out the shop?
Oh. Go on to your son, you alright?
Yeah, in good man, he up a yard, he might take care of place till I come.
Make him go and run off him, man.
Yeah.
So I'm not afraid that go up and I'm not afraid that go up and I'm not afraid that go up and
oh no. I think it's too late. Me I gotta just take not to talk keep on the line, but me I take it quickest way through.
Yeah. Make your boy fix the car so your boy can come for your hot girl, you look good, if you walk on a blood clot roadside. Your hot girl, you shape good and you look nice. A car, if you come pick you up on the AC, you carry back on it too cool. How would that back at you? If you look back at you when you sit down in the crowd,
Yeah, but I make him fix the car for true, cause God no, me deserve that.
Make them say, fix mankind, so make it anytime you go up there, I'm come for you.
So Jabaz, me know they say me a hypocrite, but you don't know say Jagger and him baby mother gone back. I don't miss that. I don't miss that. Me swear.
Look at me don't did know so that married. He just feel like he wants some new pussy And he no work out. Cause he baby mother one tighter than the side chick one.
Quick.
So he feel like say
he no spend no time in gone back man.
Because he realize that the whole day enough him. Wrong whole lot him going now. Yes. So me glad say take me advice. Cause me tell him yesterday say if you go back to the cause me tell him say boy they already take me advice, you know.
Him take your advice, Jaga. Him take your
yes.
Jabba, him take your advice.
Me tell him yesterday say me say go back to your baby mother you. The matter but me can't bother me say go back to your baby mother.
Especially part where tell him about the kids them and the home.
Yes.
I'm not sure the baby mother safe. Him take your advice on it, man.
Pastor and Prophet. Pastor and Prophet not see this. Leave me church alone, man. Exactly, it's my life. It's not about they will make it seem as if pastor the church can control what I do. It's my life. Me just know say if me act out a character, I could simply come and say, you know, say me I go to the church and me have to represent my church, so me can't act out a character but I do fall short of God glory. So in this situation where I'm right now, no, you're not gonna feel please. But that no mean say you can't me go stop feel the way I feel and talk out and defend myself and put people in them place. You get what me say, chat? When I get what me say? When I leave my pastor and prophet alone. Leave my pastor and prophet alone. Leave them up. Them not have nothing to do with my wrongdoings. They have nothing to do with Denny wrongdoings. They have nothing to do with it. They can just pray for me as a church. They could just pray for me and say, Sister Rochelle, you're going through a lot right now. And me just hope and pray God take you through it. But make sure, remember you have 2 children. We are depend upon you. So you have to be strong and don't dwell upon those things because them are going to drain your energy. That's it. And that's how it's supposed to be. But uno know this, and not just uno Jamaican, uno just too holy, man. Uno so holy, everything, no Christian, everything, uno blame on Shoshana Christian.
Well, Rochelle, you can't blame the people them for say what them say. Because once you take on the name of the Almighty, you're a different person, you're a new man, you know what I mean? All things are passed away and everything become new, you know what I mean? So right away you represent the Almighty and His righteousness. You can't be like the world, you understand? So you have to separate yourself from the world and you have to set an example. So if the people them see you and set that example, although you're a human being, but you still have to hold your composure and you still have to remember say you represent a higher power than you. You know what I mean? And you set that example if other people can see your struggles where you go through and how you handle it as a child of the Almighty. And them want to do the same. You can't act out a character and act like you and the rest of the world are the same thing. You have to be different. That you have to face sufferation when you do them something there. So your character and how you act on something, you know, set a good example for people follow. Simple as that. You know what I mean? No disrespect, but a real thing.
Pastor and prophet, everything on the blame the people, the church. What does the church have to do with me speaking out on my situation? Leave my pastor and prophet out of it. There's nothing to do with it. This is my life. I'm going to speak till me feel better. So if you feel like me I crash out and the man hate me, I care zero what I want to say. He's supposed to hate me. Because when I put down my foot and him and his family cannot use me no more. So them supposed to hate me. It's supposed to reach you so. Leave my pastor and my prophet alone, man. You see, one day, me know God. Me know God. Me wonder if me not have no moderator over here, star. I'm going to go and talk to my people. I don't care what I want to say, because I'm not the least of my power. Just come to talk my mind. All I'm going to do is scream record and chat off on the mouth. Because that's all I can do. Type. Because I'm just one big typer. And it's crazy what that alone I can do. Type. Well, and I make chosen battle. Let me see if I see a moderator over here. What I know. Guys, on the top about mad me. You see, moderator can do a lot of damage to your page. Yeah? So, I know some mad go. I can't just mad anybody. So anybody who have a problem with me, you know, I have to take that out. As long as TikTok not locked down, I go always see Rochelle. When I can't see me, when I tired of me on the For You page, you have the option to scroll past me, and not scroll past. When I live under the comments them, morning, noon and night, me hate the girl, can't stand her. Don't know no. Why me done my situation? Me never see this from a band. Alright, sister, I just see you. Hold on. I'm gonna put on chosen now. I'm not ever tell you to ease up off of me, because I don't know how to do that. Them hate me and still I watch. Everywhere they see me, they comment. Oh, I don't understand. Leave, you can't bring me down all on a walk. I don't care. But leave me pastor and my prophet name. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. They has nothing to do with any wrongdoings I'm doing. They have nothing to do with anything. Why every time when you see me do something when I tag the people them? Like me and them, they don't live here. I live in Atlanta. I live by myself with 2 children. Me alone in the house here. So when you want me sit down, battle up everything inside. See in-law come out, I said the most things about me. If you sit down in the house when I live by myself and build up everything inside, because I say, oh man, Christian, I'm not going to address anything. While me there woman stress out, I lie when I tell. I lie when I tell. Lie. I say wanna lie like sure. Wanna lie like sure. Okay. And even God himself get upset. Not because my fall short of God glory and I put people in them place. That doesn't mean, oh, I don't know God. Where your pastor and prophet if you control her. What? Hi sis. I literally live by myself. I have nobody. The only person I have right is Kayla. Kayla work. Kayla have a life. I have to get up every day and be a mother for my kids them. So I cannot sit and allow people to tear me down every day, and sit down and take it. All these years I've been a sit down and take it. Now is the time I finally talk out. Everybody have the most to say now. And the same people them call me mascot, yam ding dong, yam head, yam this, yam that. Yam idiot, yam fool. Now I finally put on my foot attack. Everybody still have an issue. Me steer, uno cost me. Me decide to me I left, uno a cost me. Uno say a lie, me I tell. Me can't please uno say right now me I do me. Can't please uno. I cannot please uno. So me have to please myself. Because the same people them wear rude for me about pink hair, blue hair. Pink hair, blue hair. By the time I look at something I want to see man bring me down again. This internet is undefeated. So anyone to take it this moment on a road for somebody, next minute I want to see man I gonna bring me down again. But they will never give me a break, because you see once a person hate you, even if you're doing good in their eyesight, you will never do anything good in their sight. They will always hate me. And that's okay, because I have people who love me already. I have people who love me, and everybody are gonna like me, and that's fine. So that's why you see when it comes down to Rochelle saga, everybody are gonna say, this is my 1 cent, my 2 cents on Rochelle and Denier saga. Be honest, everybody are gonna make video. And when it comes down to my ex-friends, that's the thing. Everybody, once a Rochelle name call, everybody are gonna jump on Rochelle name. Everybody are gonna jump on Rochelle and Denier saga, because it brings views, it brings the clout, it hate me over one marriage where me did in and me a talk about. Make it make sense. How can you hate me because of my situation, my life? But you know why I blame myself? Let me be honest with you. You know why me blame myself? I know why the hate really comes. Let me tell you why. Because I come defend him, say, if you leave him alone when it was wrong to do. It was very much wrong to do. So a lot of females was really disappointed because I really defend my man would do that to me and I deserve better. So that's where the hate started build from. And that's where the hate start build up from. So I lose a lot of respect for a lot of females who really defend themselves, have self-worth and self-values and say, yo, Jano, Rochelle, you should have left. You should have left. And I get it. But everybody left when they wanted to. There's no way you could have tell me when to stay and when to go. You get what I say?
Well, my people, we kind of understand where Rochelle come from, being that she's alone, where she's at, she not nobody to call over. I don't know if she have friends and them something they wish for she there and them with it, but what she has said, she been by herself in the house and I go through, she have to come on the internet and vent about the situation and ray. And you see the internet is a mess up place. You know what I mean? Because them love the entertainment more than the truth. So if the lie is more entertaining, them are gonna follow the lies. You understand? So right away, there's nothing you can say or do to convince the internet to be on your side. You have to just know, say, whatever you come to the internet with, you are gonna get backlash. Because even if majority of the people them side with you, you know what I mean? You're gonna have a couple people who are gonna bash you. You understand what I say? So, me kind of understand what she say, but then again, you are a child of the Almighty. You have to move different, same way. You see me, you have to understand them type of thing there, and know, say, yo, you're different, you're not just a normal person, right? So, let me know what you think, me people. You watch a bit more, and then we are going.
So this is where a lot of hate come from. So right now, when me put on my foot now, that is where a lot of the females them say, yes, Rochelle, finally. No man, when you're disappointed in somebody, it's different from you bringing down a female because the person forgive a person. Of course, the hate was real. When you're in a one box, I bring me down, you hate me, you start have the most to say about me. But no one could have forced me until I was ready to leave. So anyways, all I'm saying is, what I am going through has nothing to do with my church. Just leave my pastor and my prophet out of it. Because they have nothing to do with it. And they're the sweetest person ever. You know, like you have so much people in your corner where you tear you down, and the only person you have in your corner is two people who knows God, who's living their truth for God. And for sister, because every time I do something, when I involve them in there, I don't like it. I'm pretty sure they don't like it either. When you not tag up them name, just leave them out of it. Them very much innocent in this situation.